So we have part of our roof installed, and we just used self-tapping metal screws and drilled that sucker right up in there. And it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good, I'd say. And so we're gonna just cut this to length and put up the second half right here, and it'll be all complete. I'm super excited because we've got a roof. We have a roof and everything's just coming together, and I couldn't be more excited about it. So let's keep going. Okay, we got the plasti dip, we got the window taped off. Here goes nothing.
Best thing about our bed, we can take it out and work in that whole space. Definitely recommend if you can use bed like we did. And I'll link the video of who we used for our bed. All right, so I've just kind of been looking. A lot of van building is basically just looking and seeing what is gonna work. Next, we're gonna put the wall on this side up. We're not gonna do the garage for now because it'll basically be covered by the bed and everything. You won't really see it. But if it is a problem, maybe we'll just fix it down the road. But I'm gonna put a couple pieces of framing up above, so we have something to clip onto. We clip it on here, and then I need to do a middle beam somehow. So I might do from, I don't know, from like here to here, just to have a middle center thing, but it won't clip there. So that's what I'm working on right now, trying to figure out how I'm gonna get that to close. I should have figured that out before we put that wall up, but I rushed it last night because I really wanted to put that wall up.
One wall is up, almost. Because our van curves, well, we didn't push it in all the way when we were drilling them in, and so the screws went right through the wall.
Just there, we're gonna have to do some caulk filler or something.
Paint it. It'll be fine. We're gonna paint all these white anyway.
Yeah, and these walls are all temporary.
They're gonna come down.
And then we're gonna actually do like tongue and groove the opposite, like horizontally eventually. But then we'll actually like frame. 'Cause right now we're doing minimal framing, which I showed before, but it's gonna look nice once the bed's on top of here.
I'm gonna caulk this too.
Yeah, we're gonna caulk all the corners and the seams when we get these tops in a little bit. But yeah, let's keep it moving.
So he's making a box around our wheel well and the air conditioner. And I am about to start cutting these papers to go over the window as a template so we can cut it out in the wall shape later. to trace a gas tank that is in the way of the wall.
It's like a bulge sticking out of the wall.
And now we trace that onto our wall, and we're going to jigsaw out the shape that we used a template on the paper with.
Yeah, it's kind of a rough template, so hopefully it fits the first time, but nothing's fit the first time yet, so. Now it's like a little doggy door. This won't have to be cut a few times because, well, hopefully not that. That should hopefully be done. But we're gonna cut a big old hole here for our window because we decided we're gonna keep that window since this is a temporary build. We're not gonna have a fan in the roof. It's gonna be good to have as much ventilation as possible. So what we've been having, because I don't know, maybe we're just dumb, is like every time we do this, for some reason it doesn't line up here. Maybe it's just the way it's cut here. I probably have to cut it at an angle to get that to fit a little bit better. Because I want a solid connection here.
It looks pretty solid.
So Kaylee is unaware of her own strength as usual, and she Hulk strength that, but I'm also equally to blame. There's like 20 of those. She just pushed in the wrong spot and cracked it, but we ain't going back. Okay, so then we got this liquid nail stuff, so we're just gonna glue it, and then actually, Dad, I'm gonna 3M glue it, and then we're gonna screw it.
So I don't know.